Good day guys, this is Chibuzo Agowa and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to find Windows 10 product key without using any tool. So if you're just like me who hate downloading tools either on his laptop or mobile devices, just unnecessary tools, then you're welcome to this video because I'll be showing you how we can do that, finding your Windows 10 product key without using any additional software or tools. So before I proceed, if you're a returning visitor or subscriber of this channel, I'm saying you're welcome once again. But if you're visiting this channel for the first time, maybe you are looking for a solution, this very solution that this video talks about, then you are welcome. So I'm glad to say that you can kindly hit the subscribe button, and also you can turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release important videos just like this, because if you should go through the playlist of this channel, you find so many videos that will meet your needs. So having done that, let us go straight down to business, which is showing you how to find the 10 product key without using any additional software or tools. So we are going to use one method, and we shall be using the command prompt method. So to do that, the first thing you want to do is to actually go to the search button of your Windows 10. This actually works for Windows 10 or Windows 10 Pro, and you must be sure that your Windows key are original before this method will work. So after going to the search button, you can click type command prompt and it will pop up, and you click on the app. So once you're here, automatically you should ensure that you are running your command prompt as an administrator. So once you are here, the next thing you do, you have to type a whole lot of commands. So I actually make it easier for you because I wrote the command in a document of which I should be placing in the description of this video. So I just have to copy the command, and you have to go to your command prompt. All you have to do is right click and now right click and go back. Okay, you have to right click and paste. So once it is I've pasted the text, the whole lot of text I copied from here, which I'll be placing in the description of this video. Once you're here, you have to just hit on the enter key, and automatically, as you can see, the product key is here. So if you're finding it difficult, maybe you're just maybe lots of video you find on YouTube are talking about you downloading one software or the other on your PC before you be able to locate your product key, but you can see how easy we've done that just in a matter of seconds. So if you find this video interesting enough, can kindly give it a thumbs up, because it will make the YouTube algorithm to push this video for people like you who wants to see this solution. And also, before you leave, if you've not done that, you can kindly also hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, because in my next video I'll be showing you how to remove your product key or to deactivate Windows 10 or Windows 10 Pro. You can easily remove that without using any tool as well. So with that, we'll come to the end of this video. And like I said from the start, Chibuzo Agowa is my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. Go to the channel and you see it's a technology related channel. Just go to the channel, you see lots of videos that talks about how to make money, affiliate marketing, blogging, mobile phones, laptop, PCs, and anything related to technology. So I haven't done that. I'll see you in my next video, which shall be talking also on Windows 10 product key. So bye bye for now.